are moving to the second presentation. Dr. Konrad, Germany. He is a pediatric surgeon. We're talking us about the visualization in surgery.
Good morning and good day to Hurhada. I'm very proud for that invitation. Thank you very much. I'm Professor Kaj. I'm working in the Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich, in Germany. I'm general surgeon, visceral surgeon, robotic surgeon, and that's why we will talk today about computer vision and the robotic surgery. Let us start. I will share my screen. So now you can see everything. I hope I will make it bigger, the presentation, like this. So what is the computer-guided surgery as a coming reality in the robot-assisted surgery? What is happening with us? Of course, I have no disclosures and no company is paying me for the lectures. So probably it is mostly this what I'm thinking about the robotic surgery and computer-guided surgery. What is happening? What happened with the in the operating theater with the robotic surgery? We introduced the computer between the patient and the surgeon, and this is the great achievement because we get the tool which allow us to get completely new dimension of surgeries which we will perform in the future. This is some divisions what we can add because of computer and in the visualization during the surgery. We can use biophotonics. We will talk about it a little bit. Augmented reality, which we heard about, but mostly we still don't use it in ORs. The computer vision, this is the computer programs which we are allowing us to understand much more the situation during the operations. We will have sorry, completely different support systems which will allow us to work on workflow during the operation, and you will see that the glasses, the virtual glasses or augmented reality glasses or mixed reality glasses will be introduced into the OR in a very wide manner. You know probably a little bit some visualizations and video technology using biophotonics during the general surgery. We have the normal image, we can have a fluorescence, we have the selective illuminations. We could have also, can we see also the oxygen saturation today or blood perfusion on time? What is absolutely very interesting. Only few technologies today are available with the robotic surgery. It is only the selective illumination and near infrared fluorescence, and of course the normal color image. What is the fluorescence? The most popular one is the ICG fluorescence, where we give the indecent green intravenously or in organ, which we want to present. We are getting it as a green color additional on our video picture from the operations. What it is good for? We can have, of course, the blood perfusion, which we are seeing on time intraoperatively. We can use it for lymph node mapping. We can use it by differentiation of embryonic layers. We can use it by specific ICG inflorescence with, this is a combination between antibody and ICG. And of course, by the liver surgery, by PILDAX, or to visualize the ureters and the liver functions. This is what we did. This is the differentiation of the embryonic layers with ICG. We put just ICG as a perfusion into the lower mesentery artery, and then we could achieve to color all the space meant with rectum. As you see, you can recognize the planes and layers very easily, and it was a great achievement. This is the porcine model. We tried to do it by patients, but it was much more difficult because of the difficult preparation during the operations. This is another example for the ICG, the oncologic resection of stomach, which you see the lymph nodes mapping. We introduced the ICG into the tumor, and then 24 hours later, we received such a beautiful big picture with the station of the lymph nodes, which are here green on the picture. Yes, as you see, that those green pictures are not from the camera, from the robots, robotics, and computer-guided surgery will be the driving force towards autonomic robotic operations in the future. Thank you very much. Have a great Congress. I wish you all the best, and very, very nice regards from Germany. I'm with you today. Take care. All the best. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Dr. Konrad, for your informative lecture. And now we move to next speaker, Dr. Muhammad Omar Al-Farouk, our active and elegant lecturer. Please let us enjoy your lecture.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Thank you very much for